Looking for space, privacy, and fresh country air, all just minutes from the city? Set on a sprawling 0.7-acre lot, this 3+1 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom family home backs onto farmland with no rear neighbors. With just over 3,900 square feet of finished living space, including a finished basement, a veranda, backyard retreat, and low-maintenance metal roof, 3224 Roseville Road blends the best of country living with everyday convenience. So if you're ready, let's check out my top 7 reasons why you want to make this your forever home. Number 7, rural location. Enjoy peaceful country living surrounded by farmland, while still being just minutes to Kitchener, Cambridge, and the 401. With nearby schools, golf, and nature trails, you get the tranquility of Roseville with the convenience of the city close at hand. Number 6, curb appeal and veranda. The inviting veranda brings instant charm and creates the perfect spot for morning coffees or evening sunsets. Mature landscaping, an extended stamped concrete driveway, and a double-car garage set the stage for this countryside escape. Number 5, outdoor retreat. The backyard is designed for relaxation and play. Backing onto farmland with no rear neighbors, you'll find a pool, hot tub with gazebo, garden shed with hydro, stamped concrete and interlock patio with pergola, and mature trees. Whether it's family barbecues, gardening, or stargazing, this yard makes every day feel like a getaway. Number 4, main floor layout. Inside, the main level is bright and functional with oversized windows, hardwood and tile flooring, and a cozy family room with a fireplace overlooking the backyard. You'll also find a home office, powder room, formal living and dining rooms, and a laundry room with garage access, all designed for family living. Number 3, eat-in kitchen. Cook and entertain with ease in this updated kitchen featuring leather finish granite countertops, a 5-burner gas cooktop, balanced lighting, stainless steel appliances, subway tile backsplash, and a large island with breakfast bar. The open concept flow leads directly to your bright dinette with walkout access to your backyard. You also have a formal dining room for special occasions. Number 2, bedrooms and bathrooms. Upstairs, 3 spacious bedrooms include a primary suite with fireplace, walk-in closet, and a 5-piece ensuite featuring double sinks, a soaker tub, and a glass shower. The remaining bedrooms share a 4-piece main bathroom with shower tub combo. Number 1, finished basement. The fully finished basement adds even more living space with a large rec room, home gym, your 4th bedroom, a 3-piece bathroom with shower, cold cellar, and in-law potential with direct access to the garage. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.